All right, guys, so we made it back to downtown Belton. Here's the business. There's the address. Access Speech Therapy. They got their sign up. That's awesome. Here's what we got this morning. Got these 12 by 24 pavers. They're pretty heavy, but got it. Got this place saying this is the base I'm gonna use. Got this flex tube, which is gonna go in the front right here. So for any drainage issues, it's gonna fix that issue. And you got your wheat barrier material, which is gonna roll out, and you got your stakes that go on the ground to keep it from moving. And then tomorrow we're gonna come back to finish and put in the river rocks, and that'll finish that up. But we'll put in the flex tube today. Put these in right here. They're gonna go right here, then they go straight down right there. And we're gonna come back with the wheat barrier and all that good stuff, and I'll show you guys. But yeah, we are out here and about to get started. A little chilly this morning, but it'll warm up. We're in Texas. It'll be all right. We're gonna roll right here, so we're gonna use the lay down first before we put down our base. And to hold it down, instead of pins, because I found that pins don't really work that well. I got some long nails, about 4-inch nails, and down right around. So hold all this crap down. Scissors, knife works. I got a knife, but I don't really want to use it right now. So, let's do this in. So I've gotten started already. Got my wheat barrier started. These 4-inch construction nails are going in just to hold it in place. So preparation is very important to keep weeds from coming up over time. So make sure when you prepping for a wheat barrier, the thing's flat, it's smooth, and you got nails that are drive into the dirt anywhere and everywhere you can. So yeah, guys, stay tuned. So I didn't bring my ruler and my yardstick and stuff, but I've been doing it for 12 years. The more you do it, the easier it gets. You can eyeball a lot of things. It's just common sense. So if you're starting out and you don't know how to level anything or all that kind of good eye test stuff, get what you need. After a decade experience, I got it down. Didn't have a yardstick today or 2x4, but I found a little stone. That's my spacing. So I used them on each one in between so they're all even. And the main thing is make sure your sand prep base is even. So when you're laying these down, they're all even, they're all flushed, all the way down, all the way down. And the gaps in between are all even, all the way down. Then we're gonna come back tomorrow and put granite over here, and all through here, and a French drain right here at the very end. And that'll be it. Hey guys, so what you're looking at right here, it's called a flex tube. These are probably like $15 and $25 at Ace Hardware, Lowe's, Home Depot, and Walmart as well carries these. If you have drainage issues with your yard, your property, your commercial building, where you have water sitting in a low area, you want to grade the yard, you want to dig a trench, and you want to put in this, and it's called a French drain. You You're gonna dig a trench or a channel. You're gonna put this in. It's perforated already, which means it has holes in it. You'll wrap it, and then you'll backfill with river rocks. Some people want to leave it exposed. Some people want to cover it with gravel, dirt. I always prefer river rocks. So that's what we're doing this morning. So got my pavers in, waiting for river rocks tomorrow. Right now, we're gonna go ahead and dig out this trench right here, and then put in this flex tube. We're gonna leave it exposed, and tomorrow we're gonna backfill with river rocks. So that'll help this drainage issue for this property right here. So water's not sitting up here, and it'll flow down, and it'll come down here in this channel, and it'll push out into the street. So that's how you take care of water issues. So stay tuned.